the coordinator for Lutz School CBSE, Vinayak Nagar, Kiranwadi. And here, Mr. Ankush Dorgi is here to give you all some important information and some techniques, some tricks, how you can make maths easy to solve and understand. So you all listen carefully, and if you all have any questions, you all can ask him after the session.
Okay, thank you, madam. Okay, good afternoon to all of you. I am Ankush Durgi. Ankush Durgi is my pen name. I wrote more than thousands of poems in Marathi, Kannada, Hindi and English in 4 languages. Still I am writing. Please, madam. Yes. Along with my lecturing, I am still studying. Now I am the student of 60 years. I covered more than 10 degrees and just finishing one PhD. Almost it is covered and planning to start another. And my 2 daughters, Amruta and Nikita, they are also becoming the scientists within 2-3 months. Both covered that of nearly PhD in organic chemistry with very perfection, and another Sonali software. So along with these all things, we are supporting the students to improve their study level at maximum. So my labs together students are there across Maharashtra and Karnataka, even nowadays in Goa also. I lectured about 25 to 30 years, especially in Dharwad, Belgaum and Athani. Athani is my native taluka. There is a small village in Athani taluka that is called Srina. And also I lectured in Sangli, which is in Maharashtra. So along with the lecturing, still I am studying. So along with lecturing and studying, I created many techniques, tricks, methods and ideas. There is my slogan, there is my slogan, nobody is dull and no subject is tough, but we have to follow some special techniques, tricks, methods and ideas. Please don't think that I am slow learner, I am below the average student, I am forgetting many things very soon, and I am not getting study or not getting more and more marks on the maximum marks. Don't think negatively. You are the super intelligent, super human being. So I am saying that it's true. Nobody is dull. It's my own slogan. Nobody is dull and no subject is tough. But you have to follow some special techniques, tricks, methods and ideas. Okay? There are many ideas and tricks and many things are there. I created. Along with my ideas, I am also using the world's best ideas also, which supporting the study system. Okay? Here is one idea, that's how to create the tables. Here I am giving you just one idea. First you have to concentrate on this only. Look at this only. Please don't try to take down. Understand? Please look at this only. Don't try down now. Okay? Within 2 minutes you will say we can create tables up to 100. Up to 100 tables we can create. And you will say another statement that we will not forget this for lifelong. And you will say another that statement that this practice. No by having any problem. Without any by hand, without any practice, you will remember these things lifelong. Okay? Are you ready? Within 2 minutes, you are going to get the idea to make the tables up to 100. Okay? Yes, come on, please. Madam, please take from front side. From front side. This side, madam. Yes. Okay. Okay. Here, madam. Here.
Board.
Yeah, board. Yes, from this opposite line. Here. Okay? Who have watches, please set your time whenever I say start. Okay? Then just check the time, whether it is 2 minutes or more or less when I say stop, or check your time. Okay? Are you ready? Yes. Okay? Please set your time. Start. Come on here. Now I want to create table for 55 here jointly. There I am taking separately. Okay? We have to take the help from this side and we are making the table of 55 this side. Okay? Come on. There is a technique. First, you have to write on the table for first digit, that is here 5. And again table for the second digit, that is 5. If it is 56, you should repeat that 5 and 6. Is it clear? Yes, sir. Yes, both the tables clear here. Okay, written. Then next idea, to mix up those both, here is the idea that if 2 digits are here, 2 digits, then the last one line of digit should be taken directly here. Is it clear? Yes, that's 50, 50, 50, 50, 50 and 50. Here it should be taken directly, no changes, as it is. Next, there is another idea. The front line digits of the second table. Front line digits of the second table should be added in the first table. Is it clear? Yes, sir. Next, then 10 plus here 5. There is no digit to add. Take 5 as it is. Next, 10 plus 1. 11. Next, 15 plus 1. 16. Next, 20. Next, 27. Next, 38. 44, 49, 50. Now we have the table of 55. In the same way, can you create, just to answer, can you create table of 56? Yes, 64? Yes, 75? Yes, 88? Yes, 99? Yes, okay, now you can create tables up to 100. Am I right? Yes, sir. Okay, please check your time. Yes? How much? 2 minutes. Okay, say, you can say it's about 2 minutes. Is it clear? Yes, sir. Yes. Please invest just 2 minutes once in a life. You will remember these tables lifelong. Are you going to forget this idea? No, sir. Is this needs any practice? No, sir. Okay. Super. Then what the students need? No practice, no by-hearting and no forgetting. This remains for your work. So this is the idea how to study. If you follow such, many things are there, but I am giving little bit here, very few here, but you will get all the, or many ideas in the studies in all subjects. If we follow by that, all the lectures in YouTube channel, Facebook and Instagram, another YouTube channel is there. So in 4 languages. you will get many more ideas and you will become a super ranker. Along with your schooling teaching, you will get my videos at your home. If you wish, better to follow that, and remember, use the mobile every day at minimum, just a minimum. Whatever the necessary things are there, that should be observed. Is it clear? Please remember, my YouTube channel name is Ankush Durgi. Only 2 words. Yes, Ankush Durgi. ANKUSH. Yes, yes. Ankush. ANKUSH. Ankush here. Ankush, ANKUSH, and Durgi, DURGI. Yes, Ankush Durgi, DURGI. Okay. Is it over? Yes. Okay, there is another. In this channel, you are getting lectures in 4 languages, all that: Kannada, Marathi, Hindi, and English. There is another channel that is purely Marathi, in Marathi. That is Ankush Durgi Marathi Medium channel. Okay? Then Facebook Ankush Durgi, Instagram Ankush Durgi. Okay? But YouTube channel Ankush Durgi is the main one. It's a main channel. Okay? Better to follow this one. Okay? Okay, let us see. Now I am giving idea to make tables in thousands. Within 1 minute, you will say we can make tables up to 1,000 and more than that. Lakhs and crores and crores. Within 1 minute. Just look at this. Look at this now. Now I want to create table for 955. Okay? Here we have the table of 55 already. Is it clear? Please don't write down. Look at this only. Please concentrate here only. Okay? Otherwise you will forget these all things. Okay, come on. Now I want to create table for 955. Already we have the table of 55. If it is not, better to create by taking such type of help here. It's okay. 55 table is there. What should I do now here? Good. Smart students. Suppose I have written here 9 table. Is it clear? Yes. Then now I am creating here table 955 jointly. Here separately. Both together 1 and this is 1. Is it clear? See that here. When we are having here 2 digits, I have taken last 1 line of digits there. 2 digits, 1 line. 2 digits, 1 line. Now we have 3 digits. Wow, super. Very nice. We have to take last 2 lines. Last 2 lines. And what we should do here with the front line? Good. That should be added in the table of 9. Wow, very smart students. So nice. Okay, then we will get the table of super. 955. 955 means we are very, very near to. To what extent can you make tables now? Up to 1,000. Suppose if there comes another 9, another 9. Can you create? Okay, but remember one thing, I request you that do not practice or do not try to write these all things. Only keep this idea in your mind only, the idea, how to make the tables, okay? And now I am giving you here multiplication. By the help of these tables, I am giving just one multiplication idea. If you get the idea, just only one example, you can cover the multiplications of the words. Unlimited multiplications you can do orally here. Okay? Yes, look at this. Now I am giving one multiplication here. Please see here. Okay? Say 56 into 7. 1 minute. Only look at this only. Please close your notebooks. Please close your notebooks. Do not get disturb yourself. Okay, are you ready? Yes, look at this only. You have to concentrate here only. 7 6 the 42. 7 5 the 35. Okay, is it clear? Yes. We have 2 digits here, 2 digits. Then split the second one like this. Okay? Here we should be taken here 2. Last one. 2 digits, one should be taken here directly. There is no change. And what we should do with this front one? This should be added. Means 35 plus 4? 39. Okay, this is answer. This is multiplication. Understood? Yes, now you can do the multiplication of the word. See here how it can be done. See here. If 2 here, 1 should be taken there and front should be added here. Suppose here are 3. 2 should be taken there, digits, and always 1 should be added here. If here are 4, 3, 1. If here are 5, 4, 1. If here are 101 digits, 100 digits, 1 always added here. Only 1. If here are 1005 digits, 4 and 1. Now we can do the multiplications of digits having the numbers thousands and thousands. Can you? Yes, sir. Good. I am giving one question here, one problem. Who wants to answer in this process? Okay? Orally, please don't write down. Do orally. Your brain will become highly activated. It's a brain work. Okay? Give to the brain, not to the notebook. Okay? Come on. Like this you can do. Okay, question 44 into 4. 44 into 4. Wow, 176. Who answered that? Come here, please. Wow, super. 176. Let me clear that. Here, 1 minute. I am giving here. That's 44 into 4. 4 for the 60. 4 for the 60. We have 2 60s. Okay, split the second one. That is 6 should be taken here directly. And this 1 should be added here. 16 plus 1? 176. Wow. She answered in no time. Wow. Please, your good name. Please here.
Myself Jivika Kajekar from grade 7. I am studying in Blue School.
Yes. Answer is
176.
wow. Super, super. Please your class and division.
We have no division.
No division. Yes. Which class are you
Seventh.
studying? 7th class. Okay. This area Vinayak Nagar, like that you should say. Vinayak Nagar, Piranwadi.
Vinayak Nagar, Piranwadi.
Once again your school name.
Lourdes School, CBSE, Vinayak Nagar, Piranwadi.
Wow, super. How do you feel about these techniques?
So beautiful and easy to solve.
Wow, super, super. Yes, another, last one now. I will jump to now another technique, okay? Yes, come on. Last question. Who want to answer in same series? In same system, I am giving one question. Who want to answer? Please come here. Yes, yes, come on, please. Don't hesitate, then don't fear about the right or wrong answer. Yes, courage is key of success. Remember that. Yes. Try to answer. Please don't answer because she is here. We have to respect her. Okay? Now, please, which class? 7th. Yes, okay. I am giving question to her only, but please don't make any noise or don't answer. We have to respect her. She is here now. Okay? Come on. Question is 99 into 9. No, 1 minute. 9, can you hear? Can you solve here? Okay? 1 minute.
Others don't answer.
1 minute. Big size, like this. Okay? 9 into 9, big size. Now, 9 nines are here. 1 minute. 9 nines are into here, your big size. Okay, another here. Yes. Okay. Here. You have to mark here. Mark it. Yes. 1 minute. Take here. Here put the equal sign here. Equal. Yes. Here 1. Yes. Add. Wow. Super. 8, 91. Is it right? Super. Your name, class, school name, area name, Piranwadi, Belgaum. Yes.
Myself, Sakshi Prashant Sapurkar from standard 7th. School name Lourdes School, CBSE, Piranwadi, Vidyanagar, Tirukwadi. Vinayak Nagar, Tirukwadi.
Okay. Thank you. Yes, it's really Vidyanagar. Okay, thank you. Yes. Okay, come on. Now, I'm jumping to next technique. Come on here.